Okay, in this lesson, we're going to talk about word problems, and word problems specifically with systems of equations. As you can see, we have some vocabulary terms already down. So when you look at these, and again, I always come with my highlighters with a pencil so that I can highlight and make nice clean notes. So our words for addition are adding, sum, more than, and increase by. I'm going to highlight the word sum because that's seen a lot. For our subtraction, we have minus, difference, less than, decreased by, and reduced. For multiplication, it's times, product of. I'm going to highlight of because that's a tricky one that you're going to see a lot of the time. Whenever you see that, it typically means you are multiplying. For division, we have dividend, quotient, average, ratio, and out of. I'm going to highlight out of because you see that one a lot as well. And then for equals is the word is. You see that most of the time. So these are your keywords. I'm going to highlight in green less than, because less than is one of those words where you flip them. 6 less than 10 really means 10 minus 6. All right, so it flips the order. Okay. So another one we're going to put in here is subtracted from. And I'm going to put that in green as well, because that's another one where you flip the order of the numbers. So the quick acronym when you're trying to solve word problems is called GUESS. And it stands, each of one of these letters, the G, U, E, S, S, all stand for a word. So the G is given. The U is unknown. The E is your equations. The S means to solve. And the other S is substitute. So you're given. And the given is what info is given in the words. Vocabulary, as well as what is your scenario? Like what's happening. The unknown is you're trying to identify the unknown and identify variables. The equations, you're going to write your equations. Using your X and Y. Solve is pretty simple. Solve using substitution or elimination. And then the last one, you're going to substitute. So substitute back into the, or one of the original equations for both coordinates. For both values or coordinates. They're values now because they're in a word problem. If they were graphed, they would be coordinates. So let's take this information and go down and do a practice example. So here's your practice example. And it says, you're looking to sign up for a CrossFit gym. Johnny's CrossFit gym charges $60 per month with no upfront cost. Tommy's CrossFit gym charges $20 per month and a $250 sign-up fee. After how many months will Johnny's gym charge the same as Tommy's? So what's given? I'm going to go J for Johnny. His gym is $60 per month and no upfront. For Tommy's gym, it is $20 per month and a $250 upfront. So that's the information they give us. What's the unknown? How many months? Okay, so we're going to say that our months are our X value, and the gym name is the Y value. And now we're going to set up our equation. So Johnny's gym is equal to $60 per month, 60x, because the months are our X value. Tommy's gym, another Y, is equal to $20 per month plus a $250 charge. And now we have got two equations set up. Since it's Y equals and Y equals, we can substitute these. So when we substitute, we're going to take our 60x, we're going to put it there. So we're going to go 60x is equal to 20 plus 20x plus 250. And we're going to solve. Subtract 20x from both sides. You get 40x is equal to 250. We're going to divide by 40. Running out of room. Cancels out. You get x is equal to 40 goes into 250, 6.25 times. Now, what does the x equal? X is the number of months. So what the answer says is in 6.25 months, the gyms will cost the same. But my question is, can you pay for 0.25 of a month, a quarter of a month? And no, you typically can't. So what's going to happen is they're never going to cost the same. It'll be cheaper. It'll be cheaper to be in, Johnny's gym for the first 6 months. Then Tommy's after that. Okay? All right. Let's look at another one. And I'm going to help set this second one up. And then I'm going to have you finish this one for homework. And then I'm going to have you set up this one over here. So we're going to look at Sal's Pizza. Costs $10 plus $1.25 per topping. Papa John's costs $13 plus 50 cents per topping. After how many toppings do the pizzas cost the same? So we have Sal's Pizza, which is $10 plus $1.25 per topping. And then we have Papa John's, which is $13 plus 50 cents per topping. So my X is going to be the toppings. My Y is going to be the pizza place. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to set up our equation. So our pizza place is equal to 1.25x plus 10. And our second pizza place is going to be equal to 0.50x plus 13. And again, they're both set up very nicely for substitution. So we're going to take this piece, substitute it over there, and then figure out. Okay? This ends the lesson. Bring these two problems in to check tomorrow. If you have any questions, go back and watch the video again. Have a great day.